Number 5 says the distance that a body falls from rest varies directly as the square of the time of the fall. If skydivers fall 64 feet in 2 seconds, how far will they fall in 4.5 seconds? How far in 7.5 and in 17.3? So my two values here are the distance and the time. And to organize my information, they give me 64 and 2 together, and then 4.5, 7.5, and 17.3. That's what they're asking about. Okay, so I can use the pair where they give you both D and T to find K. So my general equation this time is D is equal to K times T squared. And I know this because it varies as the square of the time. So we need to be really careful with that. And I'm going to plug in those numbers. So 64 is equal to K times 2 squared. So 64 is equal to K times 4. Divide both sides by 4, and K is equal to 16. So my new formula is D is equal to 16 T squared, because you can put that 16 in now for the K. And then they ask us 3 different questions. They won't always ask 3 questions. They could ask 2 or just 1. And they want us to figure out what is the distance when it's 4.5, 7.5, and 17.3. So I get 324 feet, ,900 feet, and 4,788.64 feet. And those will be our answers.